Good morning and welcome to World Ocean Day for Schools 2023. I am so excited to be kicking off the day with you all and helping you celebrate our amazing blue planet on this special day. My name is Inka Cresswell. I'm a wildlife filmmaker and marine biologist, and I work with scientists all around the world to bring some of our ocean's most incredible stories to the big screens, so that all of you at home can also share in the incredible wonders that our oceans have to hold. You might be wondering where in the world we are. This year, for the first time, World Ocean Day for Schools has a home. We are at The Wave in Bristol in the southwest of England. Creating opportunities for people to access blue spaces is one of the main goals here at The Wave. We know that being on, around or in the water is amazing for your well-being, mental health and happiness. So if you live in an urban space or city, finding somewhere like this can be an incredible way for you to also access blue spaces. Throughout the day, the team at The Wave are going to be teaching students from 3 different schools how to surf, and we're also going to be hosting workshops on how they can protect our oceans. Did you know we're also hosting a World Ocean Day for Schools event in Lisbon, Portugal today? Let me hand you over to João so he can tell you more.
Thanks, Inka. Hi from beautiful sunny Portugal. My name is João Macedo. I'm a big wave surfer and ocean activist. My work at Hope Zones Foundation and the Save the Waves Coalition is all about helping the surfing community contribute more to global and local coastal conservation programs. My specific work here in Sintra, close to the westernmost tip of Europe, is all about more marine protected areas existing. My other location where I focus a lot of my energy and has been such an important part of my career as a big wave surfer is where the biggest waves in the world are, world-known Nazaré. In Nazaré, this location has given me so much joy, adrenaline, but a lot of gratitude. But as all ocean lovers, we can all give back, and this is what this is all about. Let's check out some amazing activities that we're gonna have here in Portugal, because we have some superhumans dedicated to ocean conservation out here. We're gonna have the Wave by Wave crew, and we're gonna have Lizzie Art also showing a lot of her magic. So stay tuned, hang in there, and be ready for an amazing World Ocean Day. Happy World Ocean Day. You!
The theme for World Ocean Day for Schools is family. It inspires us to think about the ocean in a different way, because we all have the same love, connection and respect for family as we should for the ocean. Because really, we're all a part of the same family. It's what connects us all. Let's watch a video to find out more.
The ocean is family. We are all interconnected. We are not separate from nature, but many people still live as if nature is simply a resource for us to use. What they don't understand is that what happens to nature happens to us. Remembering our connection helps us make better decisions and feel a deep sense of belonging in the world. Everything and everyone has a value. We are all members of Earth's community. Indigenous people around the world have always been in deep relationship with nature, knowing it to be a living entity worthy of its own rights that must be protected. We can all stand up for climate justice. Many of the communities who are most at risk from climate change are those who are the least to blame for the problem. We are all crew, living on spaceship Earth, and our job is to maintain and protect all living systems on this amazing planet. Every single one of us has a role to play. Ocean is family. We take care of each other.
Want to know how you can start taking care of our ocean? We've got 5 lessons planned throughout the day and Q&As. We kick off at 9:30 a.m. with an epic PE lesson, Surf Fit, with Pazzi Pongo from Ocean Conservation Trust, live from the National Marine Aquarium. Then at 10 a.m, join our friends at the Marine Conservation Society at the beach for pupil-powered science. At 10:45, we'll head down to London Zoo to meet the team at Common Seas to learn more about our incredible ocean, all the ways we can protect it. Watch out for some cheeky penguins in this one. Then, at 11:45, we'll be joining the Marine Stewardship Council to explore all the different types of jobs that you can do that help take care of our oceans. And last, but by no means least, at 1:30 p.m, we'll be heading to the south coast to join the Blue Marine Foundation at their incredible Solent Oyster Restoration Project to learn more about how we can rewild the sea. Plus, we've got 3 amazing activities for you to do. Head outside and learn how to find your blue sit spot, understand how to spark good conversations about the ocean in your local community, and take part in some artivism, making posters about our theme, Ocean is Family. And you'll get to meet 10 amazing youth ocean advocates from around the world who've been busy making short films for you all about their blue spaces. And if you haven't already, make sure you add your local blue space to our map. At the end of the day, we have a load of incredible films for you all to watch. You can find this and everything else that you need for World Ocean Day for Schools on our website, www.worldoceanday.school. And before I go, I want to say a huge thank you to all of our partners for making this World Ocean Day the best yet. And I hope you all have an incredible World Ocean Day.